All right, Todd with Cheap Speed Shop, here to talk about our base kit. So this is our base kit on our website. Okay, so it includes battery box, tip-em mount, the hold down, and the J-bolt. Fuel line, air box for the passenger side, bolt-in tube that goes in, boop, like so. It comes with hardware, a grommet and Allen's. Steering relocation, wiring, weld-in engine mounts, left and right, computer, either computer. So the one I'm showing right now is a 12 to 18, so it could be a 7 to 11 computer. So this is the one I'm picturing right now. And AC lines, both of the AC lines. We only sell 2 for this setup. There is a third one that we will talk about, but it isn't in the base Hemi kit. This is the base Hemi kit. All right, everything else from here is add-ons. 8 speeds an add-on. Plate B is an add-on. Plate A is an add-on. Intake adapter for the truck Hemi is an add-on. 545. I think the 545 A and B are all in one deal. If you're doing a 545, doing an 8-speed, you'll need plate B. The bushing, power steering bushing, that's an add-on if you're doing a 3.8 liter pump. Add-on for the tranny cooler mounts if you're doing a Hayden or whatever. This is not for the JL cooler. And then I believe it's an add-on for the power steering reservoir mount for the truck Hemi. That's mainly what this is for. And the fan shroud is an add-on for a Camaro fan. Oh, and I don't have a Lingenfelter in the picture because I don't have a Lingenfelter right now, but a Lingenfelter would also be an add-on, okay, for the Camaro fan, which the Lingenfelter only works. Oh, ta-da, my beautiful assistant brought me a Lingenfelter. So the Lingenfelter only works for a Camaro fan because they're pulse modulated. It's a GM thing, or Spall and GM together. So Lingenfelter would be an add-on, fan shroud an add-on. Radiators. So this is a truck radiator. Then we also have one I call the LX radiator, which has a different spout over here. This is a 2-inch spout for a truck. If you had the car, it'd be a little higher, and it's 1.75 inches, like the top. So the top and bottom for a car are the same. This is a truck, it's different. Let's see, what else we got? 8-speed is an add-on. This is a kit for all the ZF 8-speeds. Doesn't matter if you got HP 70, 75, 850, 45, 95, whatever. This works for all 8 speeds in a Jeep JK, because that's what we do. And that's the floor plate and spacers for the shifter for the Challenger, Charger, and Grand Cherokee, if you wanted to go with the JL knob. All right. So this here is our PSE reservoir mount that would bolt to the master cylinder, and it works for our Hydro Boost also. Big bore, or not big bore, yeah, it's for the J8 booster. It works for the, because that's what this cutout is, because the vacuum port would be there for the brakes. So we made this custom for our setup. All right, cruise control. So cruise control is for an 11 on up. This is the module, it goes to the kick panel. Here's the wiring harness. So it's a wiring harness module plate for cruise control for the Jeep JK from 11 to 18. If you want cruise, you need this because it will not work otherwise. So we built this module for that. This computer would be in the kit depending on what engine you or what year Jeep you have. This is the computer for 07 to 11. And this one here is for an 8-speed because it has no pins in it. But we also have them for 545s and 65s. All right, this is an add-on. Bolt-in motor mounts. So as it says, they're bolt-in. So there's no cutting. You're not cutting the mounts off the frame or nothing like that. These bolt to the engine block, both sides. This isolator is bolted in. Comes with the spacers and the bolts that go to the engine block. So this is all bolt in. No welding, no cutting, just bolt the motor in. Easy peasy. All right. I only have 2 of them here, but you'll get the idea. These are bezels for the 8-speed. And if you're doing a Challenger for a 12 or 11 and newer, or if you're doing the shifter for a JL, this is the shifter for a JL. And so here is the air box for a 6.4. This is the driver's side. This is how it comes. Comes with the tube. So also would go in like so, and then here's the air part that goes on there, the clamps, and the hardware. So the Allen bolts and the grommet's for the air temp sensor. And then we have our dual battery switch. Super simple. 3 battery cables, and this switch is a 200 amp relay. So this thing's the badass right here. So works well. Super simple, not a whole bunch of stuff. I think that's the basic roundup of all of our Hemi kit stuff and upgrades. So, you know, now everybody knows what comes in a Hemi kit. And all this stuff is add-ons as you need or so on. And then exhaust. So we have exhaust also for headers and truck manifolds and so on. Yeah, so a lot of people ask me what's in a kit and what do we got and what are we getting, and this is kind of a rundown of what we offer for the JK. None of this stuff is for JL or JT, all JK only. And we got some more radiators right there. So we're working on stock, trying to get everything here. Sometimes that's a real bugger, but this video is not about that. This is all about what comes in a kit. Whew. All right, Jeep Speed Shop out.